Hoy! Hola! Hola! Mga kaibigan, ang oras sa mga puluhan, wala kang pakialam. Sana, sabihin ko na, binibiro ka lang eh. Oras, 31 after the hour of 12 o'clock. Maligayang bati mo sa lahat ng lalaban ang damit nila gamit ang Pride Barata with Stay Away Formula. Mabuti ang labada at matagal matunaw ang barata, ang Pride Barata. Ang labada, ang bango-bango pa. Hello kay Binibining Gladys Gibara, nakaantabay siya. Mama Chochay, how are you? How are you? How are you? Maligayang pagbati sa imo. Thank you very much. Mga kaibigan sa mga nakikinig sa Ibayong Dagat, hello po sa inyo. Please, if you wanna call the program, call the Manila line. It's 836-6171 number. Yung mga yung mga maglalaban ng damit nila gamit ng Pride Barata, congratulations. So, makakatipid ka. Kasi matagal matunaw ang Barata. Ang lugat gawa yan ng ACS. At syempre, binabati ko mga kaibigan, yung mga nakaantabay sa atin, lalo na, tandananan, yung mga nag-drive, diba? Takbo na, sa pinakamalapit na. Huwag kayo magtamakbo, mag-drive pala kayo. Drive now to your nearest Shell station and choose Shell Fuel Save. Grabe ngayon ang gasolina. Murang-mura. Oo, mga kaibigan, ganito, I was watching, mga kaibigan, the news the other day at pinatay ko yung TV kasi hindi ko nagustuhan yung narinig ko. Road reblocking, murang gasolina, murang kotse down payment, mga daw, yung mga sanhi ng traffic. Pwede ba? Pwede ba? Pati ba naman yung murang gasolina, bibintahan pa natin? Benefit nga ng bansa yan. No? Let's have a more wonderful transportation means. Luluwag ang kalsada natin. Basta ako nagpapakarga ako ng gasolina sa Shell. Shell Fuel Save. Ginawa ito ng mga Shell scientists na merong active efficiency ingredients para mas magtagal kumpara sa regular price at standard fuel. So you can go where you need to go and do what you love to do. Drive now to your nearest Shell station and choose Shell Fuel Save. Hello po sa mga taga-Shell, lalo ni mga nandito ngayon na yung biyado niyo po, bukas absent, puwet ngayon. Hindi ko siya, may mabatiin ko siya. At sa akin, Cherry Mobile Family, go now to your website, itype mo www.cherrymobile.com.ph. Alright? Para malaman ninyo kung ano ba ang kahalagaan sa buhay ng player selfie. Ay nako, ayaw maniwala kasi player selfie mga kaibigan. It's personally yours for only 7,999 pesos mga kaibigan. 5 HD IPS display, fingerprint scanner, 16 megapixel rear and front camera, 3,000 and milliampere per hour battery, LTE ready and turbo download. Ooh! The new Flare Selfie was built to understand you, to know you better in the most ingenious way. Once you touch it, you have to own it. Flare Selfie, it's personally yours for only 7,999 pesos only. And if you call in the next 30 minutes, walang ganun. Sa home video sa akin talaga. You can follow them sa kanilang Facebook account, facebook.com/cherrymobile or at cherrymobile.ph on Twitter and Instagram. May caller tayo mga kaibigan. I got our caller, si John Moore ng Santa Ana. Hello?
Hello.
John Moore!
Hello, Papa Jack.
Spell Santa Ana.
Sa may Pasig Line.
Spell Santa Ana.
Pasig Line?
Spell.
S-A-N-T-A-A-N-A.
Mali.
Mali ba?
S-T-A. Period.
Sorry.
Hi, Malisha. Abo! Janmar!
Hello?
Musta ka na?
Okay lang ho.
Ilang taong ka na?
19.
Nag-isip pa nila ako. Hindi alam edad. Anong paborito mo kanta ngayon?
Paborito kong kanta, Siya.
Sino kumanta?
Para sa ano yun eh. Religious song.
Ay, okay. Habulin mo naman kami.
Di masyadong magandang boses eh.
O, wag na pala. Anong dahilan ba tumawag ka sa akin?
Ano lang. May advice lang.
Advice mo ako. Sige nga, advice mo nga ako.
Hindi, papa-advise sana ako sa inyo eh.
Ano ba yan? Gusto ko naman mag-a-advise sa akin. Wala ka maitulong.
Ang hirap pala tumawag rito, ano?
O, ang hirap ko makausap. Sige na, Paps, magkwento ka na. Binibiro ko lang, wag ka magalit ka.
Pa-advise lang ako sa inyo na paano ba mag-love life? Hello?
Ano ka mo?
Love life? Paano magkaroon?
Mag-antay ka lang darating.
Thank you.
Thank you. Yan, okay na ho, mga kaibigan. Let's go. Two things, ha? Unang-una, mga kaibigan, huwag niyo akong tawagan, ha? Kung wala kayong love life. Hindi ako bugaw at hindi ako mamasang. Wala akong alagang ginumber. At wala akong clear book ng mga nakatupi. Tigilan niyo ako. Ha? Akalain mo? Kung buhay. Ang tanong mo sa akin, paano magka-love life? Hindi problema yan. Ay, naku. Wala nang caller. Umuwi na tayo. Habang nag-aantay ko ng caller, mga kaibigan, mag-jamming muna tayo dito, ha? Oo. Wala akong magawa, eh. Hindi na-aral akong kanta, eh. I'm only one call away. I'll be there to save the day. Gusto ko itong part na ito. Superman's got nothing on me. Dapat ganon. I'm only one call away. Galing ko doon, ha? Ikaw lang, ha? Ikaw lang, yes! Mga kaibigan. May matandang tumawag. Ay, nako. Sa mga nakaantabay si Bayong Dagat, hello po. Ayan. Tema in love. Wala sa tono yun. Si Chucha ay nakikinig sa atin. Sabay yung cellphone ko. Saan ba nalagay yung cellphone ko? Ito. Oo, tumatawag siya. Hindi ko nasagot. Mama Chuchay! I'm sorry very much ba? Huwag ka na magalit, ha? Ay, nako. Wala pa, ano? Andiyan na? Yan na si caller. Ayan. Hello?
Hi.
Hi. Is there a radio that's turned on right now? Like, there's no tomorrow. No? Ate, may radyong bukas?
Wala. Sabi patayin.
Oo nga, pati yung ref ko. Malungkot ka.
Wala naman. May tatanong lang.
Bakit?
Hindi wala.
Sino po sila?
Ako? Ilan ako?
Opo, ilan ka po? Sabi ko, sino po sila?
This is Cheryl from Paranaque.
Ano po, Cheryl?
Yes.
Ilan taon na po si Cheryl?
38.
Kabatchmate kita. Hide ka lang sa akin ng 15 years.
Ay.
Hi, Cheryl. Good evening. Good morning.
Good morning.
Ang lungkot mo.
Nagsishare lang ako.
Ako ba yung dahilan ng kalungkutan mo?
Ay, hindi. Papa Jack.
Ay, lungkot-lungkot mo na. Araw pa naman ng mga puso kahapon. Sa lahat po, nag-date mo kahapon na masaya po sa relasyon, maligayang araw ng mga puso. Sa mga magjowa na gusto na lang makiuso, pero hindi na masaya, maligayang araw ng mga bobo.
Actually, sabi nga nung driver, nung nasakyan ko kanina.
Yung driver sinakyan mo? Ay, bastos mo!
Hindi. Sabi ko kasi parang it's a miracle, hindi masyadong traffic. Sabi niya sa akin, Kasi yung napagod yesterday, Valentine, kaya po siguro hindi traffic na yun.
Baka. Anong trabaho ni Cheryl?
Wala, Papa Jack.
You just, at home.
Yes.
Okay. Anong mapaglilingkod ko sa kanya? What can I do for you?
Kasi, I had a relationship the past 9 years. And, yes, this is a long distance relationship.
Hindi ka tagaan ng marinig mo. Narinig ko lang long ship.
Long distance relationship.
LDR o LDR kayo?
Yes.
Yung kabuuan ng 2 years, LDR kayo?
The whole time, kasi medyo may problema siya sa paper sa US.
Pero ma'am, nakita naman kayo ng personal ever nito?
Yes. We stayed in one room dito sa bahay.
So, nalaging kayo, nandito siya?
Yes, oo. Naging classmate kami before. Nauso kasi nun yung course na medical transcriptionist. But, in relations education naman, is IT naman yung course ko. Kaya lang nauso that time yung medical transcriptionist. So, I enrolled. Then yun, I met him there. Tapos we get along, naging friends muna. Then eventually, naging kami nga. Then yun, nagstay na ako dito sa bahay nila. And then...
Okay, yung tinira niyo ay bahay nila?
Actually, sa tito niya. Tapos eventually... Yun na nga yung itinawag ko sa inyo, Papa Jack, eh. May konti kasi talaga ng concern Bayan. Kasi yun, after kasi nung, nakaalis siya, doon kasi yung pamilya niya. So basically, nung makapunta siya doon, he decided to stay there nang nag-overstay na siya, Papa Jack.
So, taga lang ha. Ang usapan nyo was for you to stay sa place nila. Family niya, side niya, kumbaga.
Kapatid niya before yung kasama ko dito.
But whose house is it?
Sa tito niya, then finally, nabili na niya lately. Yung wife staying sa...
Nabili niya?
Yes.
Alright, okay. But before that, before ka nagsama sa isang bubong, where do you used to stay?
Taga Laguna po.
Okay. Alright. Okay. So, gaano katagal na siya nasa US?
9. This coming,
9 years?
10 na siya. Yes.
Oh my God! And he's never home?
Yes.
You've been together for 9 years?
Yes.
And you... Okay. Okay, can you tell me, ate, gaano katagal sa 9 na taon na yan ang active or masaya ang inyong relasyon?
Actually, Papa Jack, if I were not mistaken, siguro nag-date kami for 6 months, then nag-stay kami dito sa house nila for almost a year before siya nakaalis.
So out of 9 years, ate, you were together physically for 7 years. For 2 years.
No.
For almost 2 years, tama?
Hindi, Papa Jack. Mga...
A year and a half?
Yes. Kung isasama yun, mga tama, almost 8 years na
malayo
wala
siya.
Siya dito.
Alright.
Then, nandun kasi yung family niya.
Okay.
Then, at first, yung first 2 years, yun, okay naman, yun, the usual, the Skype and video calls and regular messaging. Then, dumating yung time na sinabihan niya ako para hindi ka mainit, mag-aaral ka. So, I took another course, nursing. So, for 3 years, siguro, almost 3 years, siguro, 2.5 cents na lang, supposedly, is matatapos na. Kaya lang, I decided kasi instead na gamitin yung pera pang aral, I decided na encourage ko siya na ba't hindi na lang ipaayos ng bahay.
Okay.
To make the long story short, Papa Jack, if you
Inako
see
mo
the-
yung, kumbaga inako mo yung pagiging partner sa kanya.
Yes,
Alright.
everything inside the house, magmula sa curtain rod, everything.
Kasi after all, ikaw naman nakatira dyan, di ba? And he's far
Yes.
away. But ultimately,
Nagkaroon-
it's not your house. You're not married.
Yun nga, Papa Jack. Eh.
Okay.
Then, before that happened, yung pagpapaayos nitong bahay, I used to stay kasi with his brother tsaka yung girlfriend. And now married na yung dalawa. Actually, nagkaroon ng the usual, yung konting misunderstanding in one group. Then finally, yung brother niya left me na rin dito. But basically, Papa Jack, kada umuwi yung mother niya from US, pumupunta naman dito.
Okay,
naman
ate, right. Okay, I'm trying to get the clear picture. Na. Well, you're not just plain partners, but you are actually parang husband and wife kayo without the technicalities of it. Tama ba?
Yes, yes.
Kumbaga, in-assume yung roles na yun. Ano? But, what's your question to me, Cheryl?
Dito na kasi ngayon yung mother niya.
Okay.
Then, paano ko ba sasabihin to?
Just say it. You don't have to sugarcoat things. Just say it.
Yes. Nung October kasi, actually, a year na before last October, may nararamdaman na ako. Then, siguro hindi lang niya ma-confirm. Finally, nalaman ko na October. Nag-post sa Facebook kasi friend ko yung mother niya. Post siya sa Facebook. Nakita ko nga na he got married sa US. And yung wife niya is a citizen.
Pinay?
Yes.
Okay. And, teka lang, forgive me for asking this, pero ano klaseng marriage yan? Is it a fixed one or is it a marriage out of commitment?
Ang paalam niya sa akin before that happened, he was telling me na meron siyang kasama sa work kasi he's working in a hospital eh. May kasama siya sa work na parang liligawan nga niya for the agenda nga na yung magkaroon ng to formalize the stay. Kaya lang, Papa Jack, upon din sa wedding nila, I found out din na the girl is pregnant na rin. So,
okay.
yung pakiramdam na,
Nag-gambler sila, ganun.
yan nga, Papa Jack.
Ang ito mo, natitigan lang na buntis, di ba? Parang ayaw ko na makapagtitigan.
Kasi diba,
One day, madelay ako.
kung talagang documents lang, diba, parang, he's still up to now telling me stories about na hindi ko nilihim sa'yo yan. I was telling you about my plan. Kaya lang, Papa Jack, yung lumalabas kasi ngayon parang whatever ko ano man yung before na binibigay niya na support, same pa rin naman. Kaya lang dumating yung time, dumating yung mother niya dito nga. She's staying ngayon lang is wala siya. Pumunta siya dun sa mother niya. Kasi yung mother niya ngayon is sick. Yung mother ng partner ko. So, you know what? Yung she speaks sarcasm fluently, telling me stories about the wedding niya. Alam mo naman yung Papa Jack, diba? Yung ganong kasakit yun. Yung 8 years na, diba? Yung you throw away the best years of your life, syempre, yung umidad kang babae na 38 ka na biglang suddenly malalaman mo na yung inaantay mo may iba ng...
I mean, honestly, ate, halimbawa, tanggal natin sa eksena yung part na nagpakasal siya. I mean, naramdaman ba na plano siya? Kasi ate, that's how many years? Almost 10 years, 1 decade of not seeing you. You expect not for him to grow, di ba? I mean, apart from, di ba, from the plans that you had before siya nagpunta ra?
Yes, my friends keep telling me nga, kasi Papa Jack parang nalibang ka or I don't know, parang siguro naniwala ako talaga. My friends keep telling me na nawala nga raw ako the past 8 years, umasa, naantay ko lang, magkaiba yung oras namin, yung Skype, yung alam mo yon, yung it's mute and academic na paulit-ulit yung buhay ko the past 8 years. Kaya kumbaga yung nasanay na ako na ganito yung buhay ko. And would you imagine na nabuo tong bahay, if you will see the house talaga, is kahit sino talaga, pag-iisipan na sasabihin naman siguro na lahat ng pinaghirapan ng tao doon, na to the point na hindi pa legal yung papeles niya, na naipundar ko naman lahat.
Yeah, because you did not want to disappoint the guy. Diba, you don't want him to, you don't want to put in vain lahat ng in-risk niya going there. Kaya lang, well, ate, it's a different story now because he's going to be a dad and he's now a husband of another girl. Now, what's your question?
The question is this, yung up to now, kasi actually last week, pinadalan pa niya ako ng pambili ng bagong telephone.
Do you have a job?
Wala, Papa Jack. Ngayon ko nga lang sinasabi sa friend ko na if ever okay na sa akin, yung malibang na lang ako.
Ibig sabihin natin, you throw away your life. Diba, just to wait. So, nakakalungkot lang. This is just a waste of life, no? But you're 38. It's never too late, no? I mean, don't get me wrong, but it's not too late. Anyways, ate, what is your question?
Papa Jack, kasi yung right na kiniklaim ko dito sa bahay na you're telling me na he's married na. I think yun yung message ng pamilya sa akin. Yan yung gustong sabihin ng mother niya. Siguro hindi indirectly lang. She's telling me kasi nung nandito siya, sabi niya sa akin, pagre-retire ko sa US, dito ako mag-stay. And nagkaroon pa nga ng issue about the bedroom na yung master's bedroom, which is ako yung natutulog doon. Yun lang kasi yung merong AC among the 3 rooms we have. So, syempre, hindi sanay yung matanda. I don't know, parang nagsabi sa akin, ang sagot ko pa is tipong doon na lang siya sa guest room na before I used to do that na ina-offer ko yung yearly naman umuwi. Kaya lang this year talaga, yung uwi niya, it's a different story talaga.
Yeah. Because diba, the back burner, meron siyang partner. Diba, my son is married in the US and you are no longer the recognized partner. And diba, parang overnight, Cheryl, the world was taken away from you.
Grabe, oo. Hindi ko talaga. I have a good friend na she's also in the media industry. She kept on telling me nga na move on, have a life. And meron naman sa akin nagsabi na, Papa Jack, lahat kasi everything here, repair, everything, kung ilang million inabot ko, nasa akin lahat ng resibo. Basically, yung lupa lang ang wala akong pinangahawakan.
Nakakatuwa, You're a very good secretary, not a wife or a girlfriend. Diba? You're a very wonderful OIC at here.
I live simply. Wala kang makita na yung nagsasakyan, pumorma. And would you imagine the past 3 years na siguro 4 years ko nang gamit yung old phone ko. Siguro sa out of yung, siguro nakita niya yung effort na hindi talaga ako nagpo-flaunt ng bagay na hindi naman tama, yung may magamit lang. Pinadalan nga niya ako last a couple of weeks. He bought me worth 40,000+ ng telephone. Kaya lang yung naiisip ko parang yung alam niyo yung Papa Jack, parang ako yung iniwan niya na ganito, nagplano kami, binuo namin to. Tapos parang ako ngayon yung walang lugar.
So ang ending nito, you have prepared everything but not for you but for them. And all of a sudden, overnight, ate, you don't have the space and the spot that you used to command. You are now an outsider trying to fit in.
Minsan nga parang iniisip ko, tinatanong ko dun sa friend ko na La yung tawagan namin. Sabi ko, La, ano ba? Masama ba ito? Yung parang andito ko, natuloy pa rin ang buhay ko, tapos naririnig nung mother niya na she was asking me actually last week, ano ba kayo ng anak ko? Sabi ko na lang is good friend.
Bad trip, no? Parang in the past, almost 10 years, I have been here, and now you ask me, ano kami? What a stupid question. Babae din naman. Sorry, ha? But with all due respect, mga kaibigan, pasensya na.
You know, Papa Jack, she is really speaking sarcasm fluently. Kaya lang, kailangan ko lang itayo yung stand ko na parang yung
because
kasi,
that is 9 years of your existence, and then if everything will be put to in vain at it, that's 9 years of wasted time, and whatever amount of money someone can give you, you can never bring it back to live that 9 years again from day one of that 9 years. Tapos na yan. My God.
Yun nga yung mali ko kasi parang nakinig ako na hindi mo na kailangan magtrabaho, ayusin mo yan. Tumulong yung father ko, manap kami ng mga kasama niya na sa province na yung para makatipid. Yung, kasi siguro if you hear stories naman ng mga lalaking nag-abroad, pag uwi dito nga, nag-iba na nga ng lalaki, pati yung kinita nawala and everything. Ako talaga is kahit wala kami, hindi kami kasal. I can attest na ito, nakatayo yung bahay at hindi siya basta ordinaryong bahay. And I know na ito yung hinahabol na sa akin ng pamilya. Kaya lang parang sinasabi ngayon sa akin ng partner ko na huwag ka nga alis dyan. Pag naligal yung papel ko, uuwi ako dyan. Parang hindi ko na matanggap na ako pa ngayon yung...
What is your question?
Hindi ko alam kung ano.
Do you want to ask me if you are going to stay or you're going to leave?
Wala akong parang wala akong choice ngayon kundi to stay.
Why?
Alam ng Papa Jack, the past 10 years, alam nila na actually, Papa Jack, hindi pa nga alam ng ibang, sinabi ko sa immediate family ko, sa inay, sa itay, sa mga kapatid ko. May kapatid din ako sa US. Isa rin akong kapatid nasa barko, alam nila. Pero basically, yung iba, yung hiya, yung nakakahiya.
What is your
yung
question?
Parang, hindi ko alam na, Papa Jack, paano ba yung sitwasyon ko ngayon?
Do you want to ask me whether you need to stay? Kasi if you're going to tell me that the only option you have is to stay, well, I don't believe that.
Kasi sinusuportahan ako ng partner ko up to now.
Yeah, alam mo ba ate na pakinggan mo yung sarili mo. Na ikaw nga hindi komportable sabihin na partner eh. So, hindi mo na alam kung ano ka sa kanya. Tama ba ako?
Tama.
Ikaw mismo hindi mo na alam kung ano tatawag mo sa kanya. Because you don't, alam mo, normal yung hindi mo alam kung anong lugar mo sa mga pamilya niya. Diba? I would understand them. Pero yung hindi mo na alam ang lugar mo sa mismong partner mo daw, that's actually, diba, tragic ate? What is your question? Come on, ask me.
Hindi na ako kumikibo pag tumatawag siya, sasabihin niya sa akin, hindi, bukas ha, sabay kami papasok. Huwag ka mag-text, which I never did naman talaga. Papa Jack, parang yung situation ko ngayon, tinatanggap ko lahat ng kondisyon na binibigay niya.
What is your question? Share you. Because I will be firm. So magiging sagot ko sa'yo, you just have to ask me the question. I am your friend. I'm going to look after you, and then I'm going to give you advice from a friend's perspective. What is your question?
Papa Jack, yung stand ko sa bahay, yung right ko dito, yung lahat ng pinadala sa akin, inipon ko. Na instead na gastusin ko, ito ko dinala. Pinundar ko para sa amin kasi akala ko nga Akala ko nga maaayos niya yung papeles. Yung totoo na ayokong iwan tong bahay. Hanggang sa curtain, hanggang sa gunting dito. Hanggang lahat dito. Ang hirap iwan ng bagay na kapag alis ko dito, ano ko?
You are too afraid to even ask the question. Tama. Just asking the question makes you so afraid. Kasi ate, kanina ko pa tinatanong, what's your question? You cannot even go ahead and ask me. Pero malinaw ang magiging tanong mo sa akin. The only question that would make sense tonight is for you to ask me whether is it okay to stay or to just go.
Yes.
Right?
Oo.
Pack your things and leave. You never had, and you never have, and might never have again. A place, a spot, a space that's genuinely at yours yan sa bahay na yan. I know it's 9 years of your life. I know you enjoy decorating the house. I know, ate, that if you look at the house, it's not just a house, it's your home. Every detail of that home, ate, diba, is with your touch. And you did it out of love. But you missed one crucial part. You never asked. Ano ang spot mo sa bahay na yan? He asked for your time, ate, and you willingly allowed the guy to borrow your time, ate, and for him to accomplish things. And now he wants things back. Or maybe not him, but you need to give it back. It's never yours. It's painful to think that you have dedicated a decade of your life and it's wasted. He is married.
Yung sinasabi niyang uuwi siya.
Pag-isipan natin to, honestly, ate, after 9 years, do you really believe na ngayon lang niya gusto umuwi kung meron siyang paraan dati pa? 9 years. Maybe he was sending you money because he saw na hindi mo ginagastos para sa kapakanan mo, and maybe, di ba? Ang galing mo, contractor. Sorry, ha? I'm sorry to pain you that way. I really apologize. Di ba? But you were, di ba? There's benefit having you around. So, he had you around. He kept you. Pero ang gusto ko niya makita, ate, if it's not him who can come over, ikaw ang pinabakasyon niya doon. Makita mo ba? It's not impossible to go to US. I'm
Sabi
sure.
nga ng friend ko
Kasi
sa akin,
magtutur ka lang naman eh.
bakit hindi mo ginamit yung resources to have a vacation? Sana ikaw ang nag-effort, gumawa ka ng paraan kung hindi niya magawa para sa'yo.
Alam mo, ate, pasensya ka na, pero ikaw din mismo. You failed to claim your space. Everything drifted away. Ano nga saan natin? He's now in love with somebody else. Di ba? I'm sorry, but they didn't just have they didn't just have sex. They made love, and now they're married, and they will have a daughter or a son. And asan ka na ngayon?
Papa Jack, he's telling me kasi na kahit nabuntis niya yung girl, parang nabuntis lang, pero
come
he
on.
did all that for the paper.
No. BS, stupid. If the guy, di ba, had a plan, at least cared, di ba, for you, come on. Is he going to be on top of another girl naked?
Yun nga yung pinagwala ko sa kanya, malaman kong buntis yung babae.
Ganito,
All I know is
Cheryl, what happened already. What happened already. There's nothing that I and you and anyone in this world can do to change what happened. Your misfortune, I'm sorry to use the term, but they will remain that way. But if you do not do anything for you, and I repeat that, the operative word is you are going to waste another day of your life for nothing. You have been doing things not for you, ate, but for him. Evidently, now it's all in vain. When will you start doing things for you? You are 38. The fertility is almost over. Sorry, ha? I mean, iba pag babae, mga kaibigan.
Oo.
Iba pag lalaki. Di ba?
Yes.
Iba pag babae, iba pag lalaki. Come on.
Kaya nga, Papa Shop, eh.
No, I want you to pack your things, and if ever you've got money in your account, bring it. Start a brand new life. It's never over. Pack your things and leave. And then maybe we will know whether he is serious about the promise of being with you, because I'm sure he will tail after you. Maybe he will come home. Pero po, sorry ha, gusto kong magmura, mga kaibigan. Because this is a wasted years of your life. Tama ka, ate, the prime years are over. Diba? But guess what? The more meaningful years is yet to come. I want you to start living your life now. I am your friend.
Hindi na ako maniniwala, Papa Shop. Every day, tinatawagan pa ako.
Okay.
He kept on sending me.
Yeah, I know. Ate, because that would make you stay. That would make you stay. But what? Can you tell me tonight? What are you holding on to? Can you tell me?
Wala.
That's
Wala.
the point. You are not even anchored to anything. Ano to, lip service lang, ate?
I don't have the right, Papa Shop. Kahit sa akin lahat nakapangalan, pati gamit, lahat.
Bring it with you if you can. The house is not yours. Leave. Leave. Live your life. I don't care if you rent a room, it's your room. That would be your kingdom. You own every space of that place. Ano ka dyan, ate? Partner o mayordoma ka na? You have the right to everything. You have the last say, but you're not the boss. Tama?
Yun nga ang feeling ko. Eh.
You are a house secretary. Mga kaibigan, forgive me for this. Diba? Wala naman pong masama maging house secretary. It's a very noble job. But, yung mga house secretary may love life yan. Maayos. They know where, diba, what they are and where they need to be. Period. Now, tell me, do you know where you are, what you want, diba? What is your exact spot in that house? Even the master's bedroom, diba, that you call your space, is under attack. And it's only a matter of time you're gonna give that up. Tama, mali?
Hindi ko alam talaga. Hindi ko na talaga.
No, you are going to leave the house. Anong gusto mo, Cheryl? Spend another year wasted? Honestly. Do you
Promise
want
niya
to
uwi siya nitong December.
leave the house?
Papa Jack,
I am sure. Oh, shut up. Shut up. Shut up. Makinig ka, ha? I wasn't there, Cheryl. But I'm sure, 100%. This is not the first time he promised you he's coming home. Tama?
Oo.
May natupad? May
Kasi
natupad?
nga yung papel.
No. He wouldn't have promised you. Dapat isa lang ako. Pero may natupad ba? May natupad ba? Wala, di ba? Because that's all he had to say and he will stay. Eh, tinan mo ngayon. Well, I don't know, ate. I am not your uncle. I am not your auntie. Diba? I am just a friend. And as a friend, I'm telling you, leave the house. At least your life will be yours. Oh my God.
Diyos ko, saan ako magsisimula?
I don't know.
This is the
What?
worst talaga.
No,
Ito actually
yeah, I don't know how you. I do not know how you're going to start. I do not know where you will start. I do not know, and even you, ate, no one will know unless you go ahead and start it. Maybe you'll figure it out along the way. Usang buhay to. Almost a decade, and you're still willing to waste another year of your life? Huwag kang tanga, di bukas mapapromote ka, magiging nirok ng mga bobo.
Grabe talaga.
You have thrown away, ate, the possibly, what could have possibly been the most active years of your life. Diba? Sorry mga kaibigan, ha? Those years, pasensya ka na. Yung taon na tinapon mo, you could have been the most active, ate, sexually. Physically, it's over and you don't want to do anything. Do it. Embrace yourself, ate. Can you please drive to your own destination? Hindi yung sunod ka sa destination ibang tao. Please.
Ramdam ko na nga yung punta nila rito ng weekend. Pati yung brother niya. Ramdam ko na
We are going to end this tonight. You're going to promise on air that you are going to leave the house. Wawa ka dyan, oh. Ikaw ang lahat dyan. Hindi naman sa'yo. Ngayon, mukha ka ng sampid dyan.
Grabe talaga itong pinasok.
You're going to say goodbye tonight on air. I know you called my show, ate. Hindi lang para manghingi ng awa sa akin. Kaya naawa ko sa'yo, but that's the last thing you need from anyone. You don't need awa from anyone. That is not something, di ba, na makakatulong sa'yo. Tinawagan mo ako because you thought and you believe there is something I can tell you. Maybe at some point, I can help you decide. Susunduin kita dyan. Sabihin ko na sa inyo. Saan ba kayo nakatira? Family mo?
Laguna po.
Oo, malapit lang. Mag-taxi ka na lang. Busy ako. Tonight, ate, I want you to wish him good luck. I want you to say goodbye sa kanya. I want that message, ate, and I want you to leave the house. Pack your things. Maybe, Cheryl, it will be the heaviest suitcase you'll ever carry out of the door. But it will be the most meaningful one. I want you to say goodbye. You know to your heart, alam mo to, if you leave the house, you are doing the best decision you can ever make in the past 9 years. Alam mo yan. Tama ako, mali?
Tama.
It's painful, but it's never impossible. What's his name?
June.
I want to hear you say goodbye. Go ahead. June.
sa 9 years na inaasa mo ko, na natanga ako, naniwala ako na binubuo natin tong bahay na to. Naniwala kasi ko na pagbalik mo dito, magpapakasal tayo. Nung sabihin mo sa akin na mag-fix marriage ka, hindi ko kasi alam na kasama pala dun yung mabubuntis yung asawa mo ngayon. Hindi ko na rin alam. Sabi ko nga dun sa friend ko, naubos na lahat yung luha ko. Hindi ako pinilit ng friend ko, hindi ko plano sabihin sa pamilya ko. Gusto ko sanang malaman ng magulang ko. Kaya lang tama rin ang kaibigan ko. At the end of the day, sila rin yung makakaintindi sa akin. Umuwi dito yung mami mo. Everyday nag-uusap tayo. Nasabi mo sa akin, mukhang pakatalo. Bayaan mo sila. Hindi ko nga alam kung ba't nasabi yun sa akin. Hindi ko alam kung ano yung agenda. Ba't umuwi siya dito? Umiusapan na ba kayo? Sabihin mo, ako ipapa-occupy yung kwarto. Bayaan ko siyang matulog sa guest room. Alam ko yun ang tinampo nung matanda kaya hindi na siya dito umuwi ngayon. Hindi ko na alam. Actually, hindi ko na alam. Pero parang ayoko na maniwala din sa pangako. Lupon. Hindi na ako naniniwala uuwi ka ng December. Paano ka mo ako? I-divorce mo yung kasawa mo dyan. Hindi ko na alam. Huwag na. Pag sinasabi ko sa mother mo, naiiwan ko yung susi sa paso. Yung pakiramdam na wala masabi na ba't hindi ako makaalis. Iniisip ko baka may uwi ako, iba na lock ng bahay, padlock na ng iba. Hindi ko na alam. Baka magalit ka, hindi ko tinago ang pangalan mo, ang pangalan ko. Yung mga nakakakilala sa atin, alam ko naririnig sila ngayon to. Hindi ko na rin alam kanino ko magtatanong. Mga anak na yung wife mo. Parang hindi ko na rin matanggap na ako pa ngayon yung iba. Ako yung other woman. Kung sakaling may magkwento sa'yo nito, mag-usap na lang tayo. Pero siguro, tama na rin talaga yun. Wala na kasi ko rin. Wala na akong peace of mind dito. Lagi akong kinakabahan. Lagi ko iniisip ko na iniisip ng ibang tao sa akin. Papa Jack, okay na po yun.
Thank you for what?
Tawag po Jack yan. Marami po kasi listener nyo na close friend po na alam na po niya yun. Maybe 3 hours from now, makakarating na sa kanya yun.
Yeah. Alam mo, ate, I don't want to poison whatever beliefs and admiration you have for the guy. Maybe he had the honest intention na pinapaniwala mo hanggang ngayon. But somewhere along the way, something changed, ate. And the problem is, hindi niya pinaalam sa'yo. Yun eh. Somewhere along the way, something changed. Pero hindi niya sinabi sa'yo. Magmamakaawa ako sa'yo. Magmamakaawa ako sa'yo. And I would mean this from the heart. Please live your life. Please, parang awa mo. I am so much in pain for you. Awang-awa ako sa'yo. I can only imagine, ate, all of a sudden you are now a stranger to a kingdom that you thought over the years yours.
Yes.
Oh my God. I have said this many times, and I want you to remember this, okay? Listen, the most valuable commodity in the world is time. Even if bayaran ka, ate, to spend your time with someone, hindi nila kayang ibalik yung time na ginugol mo. A time is spent, ate, is time given away. Wala na yan. Hindi mo na pwedeng ibalik yan. And we are talking about almost a decade, ate.
And I can never question my loyalty. Ako makapaniwala mo. I started calling your show as early as November last year.
Maybe, ate, this is the right time para makatawag ka dahil nandiyan na yung nanay. It's a turning point.
Nagtampo nga sa akin at ang time.
Well, I would understand that, and I would also understand you. Mananawagan ako, mga kaibigan, sa lahat ng babae ngayon. And especially sa lahat ng babae. Please, do not live your lives with a guy or for a guy pag hindi ka na masaya at hindi ka na productive. Because not being happy and not having productivity means you are not gonna be fruitful. Babae ka. Mananawagan ako sa lahat ng babae. Kung ikaw ay nakikisama sa jowa mo, asawa, boyfriend, partner, with only one reason, the thought na baka wala nang tumanggap sa'yo, and you don't know kung paano mag-uumpisa, you are there for the wrong, stupid effing reason. Cheryl, tonight, kung hindi kita narinig na umuo sa akin, pupuntahan ka dyan, kakalad ka rin kita dyan, palabas dyan. Because ayaw ko bilang kaibigan mo na ang gumawa sa iyo dyan ng pagkakaladkad ay yung karapat dapat na nakatira dyan. Dahil hindi ikaw yon. That will be so painful. I want you to pack your things, plan your life, and walk away with dignity hanggat may natitira pa. As long as you still have your identity, hanggat kilala mo pa, ate, kung sino ka talaga, umalis ka na. Pasalamatan mo na siya, ate. I want you to say thank you sa kanya ngayon. I-good luck mo na yung buhay nila. Go ahead.
Salamat. Salamat sa... Salamat dito. Kahit sa sakit, i-good luck niyo. Hindi ko alam. Basta paano magsisimula, pero siguro hindi ko na rin kaya pagalan ko. Mas magiging anak mo. Ay, naglalaki. Sabi ng mami mo. Sana maging maayos kayo. Kasi ayoko na talaga maniwala sa lahat ng sinasabi mo. Tama si Papa Jack. Ginawa mo lang ako ng taga-ipon. Contractor. Grabe. Hindi ko na-expect to. Tawagan ko nanay. Nasabihan ko na siya. Hindi na ako sa amin. Kahit napahiya na ako sa mga kapitbahay namin. Yan siguro pinakatakot ko. Kita sabihin ng ibang tao. Pero wala niya. Dito na to. Eventually, malilimutan na rin nila siguro. Ano man makita nila yung magaganda kong nagawa. Hindi yung pangit na inabot ko after 10 years. Okay na po ako.
Cheryl, I will be very, very honest to you. Naawa ako sa'yo. That's the last thing you need from anyone, but I'd like you to know na naawa ako sa'yo. You don't deserve that. But I hope, as I tell you that, ate, parelas man lang ako naawa sa'yo. And I hope it sends you the signal, ate, that there's something wrong. Sana baguhin mo. Sana itama mo. But on the other hand, tatandaan mo to, ha? Other than naawa ko sa'yo, tandaan mo to. I am excited for you. I am so excited for you, ate, that you are just about to embark into a journey that you're going to do things, fruitful things, ate. Achieve something not for someone else, but for you. I am very excited. It will not be an easy process, believe me. There will be nights you are going to feel like it's the end of everything. It would feel like hell, but it will not kill you. Tandaan mo to, ha? Pag dumating yung gabi na paano ikaw matay mo yung sakit, tandaan mo, ate, it's just a part of the process. At pag nalampasan mo yung masakit na yan, ate, maniwala ka, ano pa kaya ang hindi mo kayang pagdaanan. You have to remember, every, and I mean every wonderful weapon in the world, mga kaibigan, is forged by fire. It was a chaotic process, but after that process, it's a wonderful knife. One day soon I want you to be so sharp that you wouldn't fear anything in life. That your blade would shine the brightest. I want you to achieve so many things because you can for yourself. Promise me. Let's make a pact tonight.
Yes. Good luck ngayon ako, Papa Jack. I'm seeking a deal. last month, nag-try ako mag-apply. 35 lang talaga yung alam niyo na, dito sa Pilipinas, iba.
No, don't worry. You know, do not, huwag ikaw magput doon ng sarili mo, ate. Do not discourage yourself. There will be other opportunities for you. Believe me. I should know. I hired one. I hired one. Ako, nag-hire ako ng taong ganyan. And I'm thankful I hired her. So, believe it or not, Cheryl, there will be a spot out there for you.
Sabi ko nga kung tinapos ko yung nursing, baka yun na nagdala sa akin sa US.
Huwag mo nang panghinayangan pa yung mga yung mga bagay na alam mo hindi mo na may babalik pa.
Mga Papa Jack eh.
Alright?
Salamat talaga. Alam na nilang lahat.
So what?
Hindi ko kasi nagawang itago yung personality, yung identity kasi.
It's okay.
Okay.
At least ngayon wala ka na excuse to stay. Nakikinig lahat eh.
Yeah. Parang isang message na lang.
Go ahead.
Yan na nga, na kung naman yung nangyari sa akin, naging lesson na lang. Tama ka, Papa Jack. Lahat ng babae na huwag maging palagay. Huwag masyadong maniwala. Iba rin pala talaga yung sarili ka na kinalanan mo para sa sarili mo. Hinamali ko, Papa Jack, na palagay ako eh. Kala ko talaga lahat.
Well, it's not wrong. Nagtiwala ka. After all, kailangan yun. What's important is that you learn to read, ate, what life is telling you now. I am proud of you, ate, for making the decision right now. I'm so proud of you. I want to meet you someday.
Yeah.
Pwede ba? I want to meet you someday when you have risen, ate, from the fire, from the ashes.
2 weeks. 2 weeks ago, nagpunta rin ako sa dun sa may Araneta.
Ginawa mo dun?
Wala kasi I heard yun one Sunday afternoon. Nasabi mo nasa Paddy's ako, Araneta, before yung week ng show mo, the other week naman. And nagkaba ko. Tapos natatawa talaga sa akin yung driver kasi talagang ang haba ng travel namin. Tapos punta ako ng Cubao. Tapos nagdalawang isip nga ako. Nandun na kami outside. Sabi ko, kuya, sige, balik na tayo ng Paranaque. Servisan mo na lang ako. Bayaran na lang kita ng dagdag.
So, hindi ka tumuloy?
Andun lang ako sa labas kasi parang nag-aano ko yung kasi gumawa ako ng eksena. Hindi ko kasi alam ko ano yung show mo pagka sa Paddy's.
Huwag ka pumunta rin. Pag pumunta ka sa Paddy's Point, huwag parang may na-advise. Masaya yung show ko doon. Puto ka ng lobo yun.
Kaya siguro hindi rin ako tumuloy. Isip ko pa.
Paano nagpunta ka? Kasi it's fun to have fun with me. Honestly, mga kaibigan. I am fun to watch on stage. Hindi ako nagmamayabang, ha. I don't sing very well, but it's fun to watch me on stage.
Sa Papa Jack, lahat ng sasakyan kong cab, most likely, ikaw yung, natatawa sila sa'yo. Lalo yung pagka yung afternoon, yung gabi na, yung oras na ng show mo. Grabe yung fan club mo na meron sa mga driver. Yung nawawala daw yung antok nila.
Kung gusto mo yung inaantay nila yung Wild Confessions, wala na yan. Manang driver, inaantay mo, titigil ka nga.
Natutuwa sila pala.
3 years nang wala yan, tigilan nyo. Balik ba natin?
Kasi galit ka daw sa malalandi.
Oo. Kasi alam ko kung paano maging malalandi. Gusto ako lang. Ay, nako. Cheryl,
Sige, Papa Jeff.
I'm excited. I am excited. I mean, I'm genuinely excited for you. From the heart. Na-excite ako, ate. Naggagawa ka na ng efforts. Mag-focus ka. Hindi na para sa ibang tao, kundi para sa iyo.
Yes, definitely.
I wanna meet you soon. Please visit me in the booth, ate. You don't have to tell me.
Whatever.
Kasi pag uwi ko may makakalimutan ko ng kwento na to. Oo, hindi mo kita pinsan para lalahanin kang bahay. But I wanna meet you in person, ate.
Yes, definitely.
Alright? I am going to pray for you, but I want you to do the actions, ate. Kahit anong
Yes.
dasal namin, ate, walang point yan kung hindi mo gagawa ng action. Maraming salamat. God bless you, ate. Have a wonderful life ahead of you, ate.
Yes, thank you, Papa Jeff.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Salamat.
Si Cheryl ng Paranaque, mga kaibigan. Ay, kawawa! Pusang buhay to. So at least, di ba, ngayong gabi, she made a decision, di ba, to start making things better for her and not for other people. Not for somebody else. Yung title ng kantang Blinay ko ay yung Never Let Her Go ng Bread. Tsaka yung I Want to Give It All. My love is all I want to give it all. Gusto yung kantang yan. Tsaka paborito yung kantang Chances. Air Supply. Ano niyo ba yan? Chances. One of my all-time favorites yung kantang Chances, mga kaibigan. There are only very few people na nakakalam Chances na yan. Kasi hindi ko alam, hindi rin nirelease sa bansa natin yan. Air Supply. Ito yung lyrics niya, basahin ko. Ayokong kantahin kasi baka piyukan ko yan. Air Supply yan eh, mukha bang kaya ko yan? Tapos yung isa pa, mga kaibigan, yung The Heart of the Matter, mga kaibigan. Heart of the Matter. Lawala. Ayaw. Batulo ko to, ah. Ayaw magpakita ng lyrics. No, ko to. Masasabi nung kanta, wala eh. There's a chance you will be there. Kaya nga natin ko nga. Google.com. Sabi nung kanta, mga kaibigan, teka lang. Chances. Lyrics, Hair Supply. Sakto na, sakto na. Yan. Sabi nung lyrics niya, mga kaibigan, there's a chance you will be there. I'd like to know the truth. I have found it out somehow. Chances aren't too strong. A chance you will be there. Please be there alone. Help me speak of love. Chances aren't enough. One's too good to me. Chances aren't too strong. A chance is all there is. Ayokong pumusta kayo, mga kaibigan, ng buong buhay nyo just because you are waiting for a chance. It should be a reassurance. It should and must be an assurance. Wag lang chances. Diba? Ang magiging kanta naman ng lalaki, para kay ating caller ay The Heart of the Matter. Alam niyo ba yan? The Heart of the Matter? The Heart of the Matter by Eagles. Alam niyo yan? Alam ba? Matanda ka na kung alam mo to. Gusto niyo ba kantahin ko yung, gusto niyo ba yung talagang may passion, gano'n? So, wait lang. Tirahin ko to. Baka tirahin ako na ito eh. Oo nga, maganda to, mga kaibigan. Ito yan, oh. I got a call today. Naiyak na tuloy ako. That I didn't want to hear, but I knew that it would come. An old true friend of ours was talking on the phone. She said he found someone. Alang, sakit ng lyrics, no? And I thought of all the bad luck, struggles we went through, how I lost you. Ito na yung part na masakit. And you lost me. What are the voices outside love's open door? Make us throw our contentment and beg for something more. I'm learning to sometimes. The more I know, the less I understand. All the things I thought I knew, learning again. Been trying to get down to the heart of the matter, but the wheels get sweet, and my thoughts in this kind of but think it's about forgiveness. Eto na, forgiveness. Even if you don't love me anymore. Sakit ng lyrics nitong kantang to, nababusit ako sa kanya. Masabi niyo kay singer niyan, taas-taas. Kuntik na lumuha yung anas ko dito eh. Sabi niyo yan! Hindi naman binabaan yung kanta, nababusit ako. Kuntik na. Ala, hindi pala muntik, Tad. Lumawa, pulutin mo to. Di ba sakit ng lyrics niya? Ang sarap niya maging tula, actually, mga kaibigan. I love how this song was written. And I thought, sabi niya, I got a call today that I did not want to hear, but I knew it would come. An old true friend of ours was talking on the phone. She said you found someone. And I thought of all the bad lucks, all the struggles we went through, how I lost me and you lost you. What are the voices outside love's open door make us throw of our contentment and beg for something more. Ito yung masakit na part. This is the part I love the most. I'm learning to live without you now, but I miss you sometimes. Aww. Di ba? Alam niyo mga kaibigan, yung mga linya ang kanta na hindi natin nanamnam, pero it's very well written. I am learning to live life without you now, but I miss you sometimes. And the more I know, the less I understand. All the things I thought I knew, I'm learning again. I have been trying to get down to the heart of the matter, but my will gets weak and my thoughts seem to scatter, and I think it's all about forgiveness, even if you do not love me anymore. Bako. Bako, Patrick. Lungkot, no? Hello pa sa lahat ng mga imotero. Di ba lungkot kayo? Happy Valentine's Day to Annalisa Banhawan from Jonathan Magdaong. Yes. Ang Caracas Boys, Dennis, Jonathan, Tisoy, Rapsi, Jonel, Budoy, and Michael. Maligayang makikinig. Alam mo yung mga kanta, mga kaibigan, may mga napaka-brilliant na lyrics. If you have read, mga kaibigan, yung lyrics ng kantang ni Luther Vandross, hindi yung I'd Rather, mga kaibigan, yung Always and Forever. Narinig nyo na ba yan? O alam nyo ba yung lyrics yan? Babasahin ko sa inyo. Gawin ko kayong feature sa program ko to na I'll read lyrics of songs, mga kaibigan. They're very wonderful to be a poem. Always and Forever by Luther Vandross, mga kaibigan. Basahin ko to. And you will appreciate this, mga kaibigan. Always and forever, each moment with you is just like a dream come true. That somehow, it's just like a dream to me that somehow came true. And I know tomorrow will still be the same, because we got a life of love that won't ever change. Every day, love me your own special way. Melt all my heart away with a smile. Take time to tell me you really care, and we'll share tomorrow together. I'll always love you forever. Sarap, di ba? There's a song, mga kaibigan, that I always play pang background ko. And ito naman po ay kanta ni Willie Nelson. Ang title po nito ay Always on My Mind. Ito kanta to ng mga nagpabayang partner. Maybe I did not love you. Ito. Always on My Mind by Willie Nelson. Maybe I did not love you quite as often as I could have. Maybe I did not treat you quite as good as I should have. If I made you feel second best, girl, I'm sorry I was blind. But you were always on my mind. You were always on my mind. Maybe I did not hold you all those lonely times. And I guess I never told you, I am so happy you are mine. Little things I should have said and done, I just never took the time. You are always on my mind. You were always on my mind. Tell me that your love, your sweet love hasn't died. Give me one more time to keep you satisfied. I will keep you satisfied. You are always on my mind. Aww. Yung mga lumang kanta, mga kaibigan, binasa nyo yung lyrics, it will melt you away. Promise. Diyan ako, mga kaibigan, diyan ako mahilig sa kanta. Yung lyrics. Hindi ko alam kung binabasa niyo po yung lyrics ng Through the Years. We know it by yung tono niya, it's a song. Pero pag binasa niyo yung lyrics ng Through the Years, let me read it for you, mga kaibigan. You will appreciate the song. There's a line na nalalaktawan natin, mga kaibigan. Diba? But it's a very wonderful line. Yung linyang wait lang ha. I think I posted this. Aking ano. Eto. Wait, wala pa pala. Etong part na to. Dumadaan lang sa kanta to, hindi natin appreciate it. As long as it's okay, I'll stay with you. Ang namin nyo yung linya, mga kaibigan, I'm sure before that line was written, diba, yung composer, yung lyricist niyan was in a very deep thought. Imagine mo yung linyang, as long as it's okay, I'll stay with you. Sabihin, as long as you want me to be there. Basahin natin yung kanta. I cannot remember when you were not there, when I did not care for anyone but you. I swear, we've been through everything there is. I cannot imagine anything we've missed. I cannot imagine anything the two of us cannot do. Through the years, you've never let me down. You turned my life around. The sweetest days I have found with you. I have found with you through the years. I've never been afraid. I loved the life we've made. And I'm so glad I've stayed right here with you through the years. I cannot remember what I used to do. Who I trusted, whom I listened to before. I swear, this is a good line. I swear, you've taught me everything I know. I cannot imagine needing someone so. But through the years, it seems to me, I need you more and more. Through the years, when everything went wrong, together we're strong. I know I belonged right here with you. Through the years, I had never had a doubt. We'd always work things out. I've learned what love's about by loving you. Ito na yung part na pinakagusto ko. Through the years, you've never let me down. You've turned my life around. The sweetest days I have found with you, I have found with you through the years. It's better every day. You've kissed my tears away. And here we go. As long as it's okay, I'll stay with you. Oh my God. That line, mga kaibigan, no? Na ano siya, hindi siya nabigyan ng hustisya, no? Para siyang maikling parte ng kanta, but that says every detail of the song. It defines the entire song. As long as it's okay. Hanggat okay pa sa'yo, andito lang ako. Imagine, no? To find someone who wants to be there hanggat okay pa. At yan ang buhay ng caller natin. Hanggat okay pa, andun siya. Eh, hindi na okay. O, impake natin. Ano ka dyan? Ha? Anyways, mga kaibigan, I have to say goodbye for now. Maraming salamat. Thank you for staying with me, mga kaibigan, in the past how many hours. Ay, iiwanan ko po kayo ng kanta, mga kaibigan, from Ken Rogers. Ang title po nito ay You and I. Not through the years. Diba? Girls and guys, find the person who can dedicate, mga kaibigan, who can make the song come true sa inyong version ng love story. Ayoko na sirayan pa yung mood, mga kaibigan. I'll just play the song. Have a good and great morning ahead of all of us, mga kaibigan. Good morning, everyone. I have 8 more to go before the hour of 2 o'clock. I'll see you tonight. Sa mga hindi ko nabati ngayong gabi, patawarin niyo na ako. But if you are with someone you love so dearly, hold that person's hand. Because that is the moment of yours forever. As long as you have each other.